As the final part of this seminar, I want to talk a little bit about what net neutrality is. Net neutrality is the concept that all internet users deserve equal access to the internet and to the information on the internet, regardless of the carrier or your internet service provider. ISPs should enable access to all content and applications regardless of the source and without favoring or blocking particular products, services, or websites over the internet. Basically, it should be equal. Speeds should be equal. There shouldn't be a fast lane for business and a slow lane for the rest of us. All internet users can go the same speed regardless of their internet service provider. Without net neutrality, ISPs can create fast lanes for those who can afford it, while slow lanes are created for those who can't. A great example of this is Burger King's video on Whopper neutrality.
There was?
With net neutrality, some people, for what it's worth, just,
I don't know exactly what it is.
Got a number one.
Hey,
how you doing?
Do you know what number 98, what's going on with it?
Number 98. You got the Whopper?
Yeah.
So you got the slow access Whopper pass?
Wait,
It's on the menu right there with the fast, medium, and slow.
Slow Mbps, fast Mbps, or hyper fast Mbps. Mbps, of course, standing for making burgers per second.
So if we want a Whopper now, we have to pay $26.
Well, that's how you get it fast. That's the highest priority.
This is like a lane
It's
system?
gonna be like 15, fast lane, slow lane. So like maybe like 15, 20 minutes.
What are you talking about?
Burger King Corporation believes that they can sell more and make more money selling like chicken sandwiches and chicken fries, so now they're slowing down the access to the Whopper.
Were you given an option of a chicken sandwich or?
yeah, I don't want a chicken sandwich, Robert. I want a Whopper.
Do you have any Whoppers ready that aren't?
Yeah,
The sandwich is ready. I'm just not allowed to actually get it to you.
What? You can't give me the sandwich? It's ready, but you can't give it to me?
Whopper neutrality was repealed. They voted on it.
Whopper This what? doesn't make any sense.
Fortunately, I have no other choice.
Oh my God, this is the worst thing I've ever heard of.
See, like he got the fast, and now he's getting his.
Are you kidding me? You paid $26 for a Whopper?
Yeah, he ordered it. Now he's a higher priority. So
If,
Come on, guys, like, I want a burger, man.
if you'd like,
This is a bad dream right now. I just want a burger, brother. A burger.
you want
I
to
feel
pay
like I'm
more.
going. I feel like I'm going to say this is crazy.
here's what I'll do. You have the bag, and I can put it in the bag in 42 seconds. Hold on, 10 seconds. We don't make the rules.
You just enforce these ridiculous rules?
Fortunately, we have to.
Guys, come on.
I felt like I was being taken advantage of in a sense. Just as a customer coming in to get their food, it felt like a power move.
They already changed the policies overnight or whatever.
I didn't think that ordering a Whopper would really open my eyes up to net neutrality.
The Whopper actually taught me about net neutrality. It's stupid, but true.
The principle of net neutrality and understanding the importance of that is really clear when it comes to the major companies that provide our internet service. If you live in Rochester, New York, it used to be Time Warner Cable. Then Charter Communications came and purchased them. Then it turned into Spectrum. And now Spectrum is owned by Comcast. Comcast's $45 billion deal to buy Time Warner Cable would give it an enormous share of the nation's market for internet service. The following map shows the top internet service providers in each U.S. state before the buyout. And you can see in the green, Time Warner Cable, pretty heavy in the East Coast area. After the buyout, you can see how Comcast has the majority of states and the majority of the power of the control of the internet. So when we talk about internet control and who owns what, these are the 6 corporations that own almost all of the media in the United States. Comcast by far has the largest revenue at $148.2 billion. Okay, well, that is it for TV Today. Thanks for joining me.
That's all, folks.
For more information on group or private in-home instruction, please visit my website, DanielTeaches.com, or you can call me at 585-902-8450, or email me at daniel@danielteaches.com.